Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this runaway aura filter on Instagram. Okay, so this is the filter. There is music also in this filter, but I can't play the music here because it might be a copyright strike, but that's music. Okay, so to get this one, visit the creator profile. Okay, so Pendy is the creator of this effect. You can follow him to unlock all his filter to your Instagram camera tree. He's having some awesome filter. So check in his filter gallery. He's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Okay, this is the filter, runaway aura. Tap on it. Okay, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Okay, just tap on the link and you need to open it with Instagram. Okay, wait for it. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.